Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. I am Nandini Anand. Today in my video I am going to showcase kids wear. So I am going to talk about kids ethnic ghagras, that is the ghagras which usually kids wear for parties and weddings. So I have created such ghagras with bright colors and various kind of silks and chiffon fabrics and net fabrics. I created these ghagras for my clients earlier. I am going to showcase these ghagras. Also, I am going to explain how I have created them, what material I have used, what kind of an embroidery I have done, what extra embellishments I have added in the ghagra, that is the value additions. So I am going to explain everything in detail. I am going to showcase these ghagras one by one. And I would like to also mention that, which is a very important thing, that when you select a fabric to make for kids especially, you have to be very careful about the hand feel. The hand feel has to be soft. And supposing if it is a brocade fabric or a zari fabric which is having a backing of slightly rough edge or something which is not smooth, you have to use a lining inside which is a soft hand feel, because it might irritate the child's skin. So it's very important that you keep in mind that you choose a fabric which is skin friendly to the skin and which is quite soft in hand feel. So let's get this video started. This lehenga is a combination of deep blue and mauve brocade fabric. So for the brocade fabric, for the top I have given a lace at the bottom hem and also a little bit of hand embroidery, a kundan lace also at the neckline. And for the skirt I have used a big border which is combination of both the blue and mauve color. And I have given a slight handwork, butta handwork for the skirt, that is just a kundan stones and pink stones in between, and I have also added a dori for the skirt. Made the skirt with a silk fabric. I have made an orange lehenga and given a slight butta embroidery on the skirt. And for the black I have chosen a black brocade fabric. I have added a slight yoke on the shoulders till the armhole, and I have added a gold thin quarter-inch lace on the shoulder and also an orange big lace just to give a good combination for the entire look. I have also added a orange color dupatta. The gold lace on the bottom half of the skirt was already available on the fabric, so I have just left it as it is. This was a dark pink color georgette fabric which I sourced, and I also sourced some whitish gold shimmer fabric. So I have made the entire ghagra in white shimmer and fuchsia pink fabric. So I have just given the borders of the same shimmer on the bottom hem of the skirt, and I have made the blouse with the shimmer fabric. I have added quilt on the neckline. I have made a noodle strap for the neck, for the shoulder, and I have given a quilt on the neckline with pink silk fabric. Here I have used a wine color brocade fabric to make a 6-panel fit and flare skirt. And I have added a shimmer fabric, a gold shimmer fabric at the bottom hem, big 2 inches shimmer fabric, and I have also added multiple laces at the bottom hem. I have chosen a big butta embroidery patch to add at the front. I have added 3 patches, and I have used a gold fabric to make the top. And I have added just a butta, and I have added some shoulder silk at the shoulder also. I made another combination of the same dress in gold. In somewhat brownish gold color. So I have made 2 ghagras in the same pattern and with the same kind of embroidery and laces. Silk fabric is a leftover sari fabric. I have combined it, giving a combination of black zari and also dull whitish gold laces. And I have made a ghagra top which is having some lace work on the shoulder and lace on the center front, across the center front. And I have also added the same black zari border at the bottom hem and some extra lace. And it's a flare skirt. This is a blue net fabric. So for this I have added a very light ari embroidery on the skirt. You can see a slight buttas on the skirt, and I have added a gold shimmer lace at the bottom hem and a pink lace which is going well with the top. And for the top I have given a very simple ari embroidery with the same blue thread and gold and white kundan. So I have made a sleeveless top and a flare skirt. I have added a blue satin lining for the skirt. This is a layered skirt ghagra. The first layer is a net fabric, gold net fabric with a gold buttas, and the second layer is a zari fabric. The same zari fabric you can see on the blouse I've used as a trim for the neckline and the bottom hem. It's a deep blue silk fabric, and I made another combination also with a light blue silk fabric and used the same styling for this also. So it's a two ghagras with the same styling. To make this ghagra, I sourced red net fabric and gold shimmer fabric. I also used some gold big mango motif buttas, and I also added some red handwork laces. So I made a flare skirt. I've added a big gold shimmer border, and for the neckline I have just added extra thin gold lace. You can see there is a pattern. So I've added a pattern with the thin lace, and I made a gold blouse. So you just saw my video based on kids ghagras. So I hope you like my video. I have used various kind of fabrics in this. I have used net fabric, I have used chiffon and brocade fabric. I have used a satin backing lining for this. So you can also create these kind of ghagras for your kids with the value additions like embroideries, laces, etc. and embroidered motif patches. So you can create, I hope you would have got an idea to create ghagras for your kids also. And in my upcoming video, I am also going to post kids western wear very soon. And also I am going to post South Indian Pattu Pavada patterns for kids. Stay tuned with Fashion and Lifestyle. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Take care. Bye.